Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, this is actually a requested video. I have been asked how I clean my plates to make them look new and shiny again. So in my last video I reviewed this Nicole Diary Animal World 003. I will link it up here. It may not actually have been my last one. I might have done tutorials in between, but as you can see, it still has some nail polish on it, and the only way to get that off properly is to use pure acetone. But when you use pure acetone on these metal plates, I find it dulls them up, and I love that new look. So I'll go in and what I do to clean my plate is I go in and I clean it with acetone, but when I do that it gives it a dull look. So then I go over the plate then with pure isopropyl alcohol, and that will shine the plate up. But it kind of, it's like it gives it this oil, like an oil on the plate, although there's no oil in isopropyl alcohol at all. So then I use the back of the nail pad and I clean off that like oil, and it comes really shiny. So I'll show you how I go. So with this is just a pure acetone. So when I put the pure acetone on the plate, you can see now, oh, missed something. So you can see it's gone all dull, it's not shiny like new. Now in the camera light it might actually look new, but it's really dull. So then I go in with my iso alcohol, and then I give it another wipe. So you can see that it's not that it's oily, it's just it stays wet, because that does not dry on the metal, sorry. And then I just turn my cotton pad over and I really buff it to dry that oil or iso off. And then I go in with another dry one, and always going in the same direction. And now it looks totally new. I might just see if I have one that I haven't done with that. So you can see, I don't know if you can see the difference, but this is shiny and there's no smears. This is all dull and like smears, and it's not like new. So that's how I clean my plates. Just a quick video for you guys, because some of you were asking. There was about 30 of you actually asked me how I clean my plates to make them look shiny and new, and that's what I do. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any other videos, and don't forget to share the page. Sharing is caring, as we say. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.